Hey friends, here again with another haul. This one's from Ollie's. So they still had stuff from Joann's shutting down. So that's what this haul is from. So foil insert cards for the Cricut. So I'll have to figure out how this works, but $1.99, totally worth it. Foil transfer insert cards, same thing. Gotta figure out what that all means, but very cool. They had these paper packs from Draper James. Thought these were so pretty. See if I can get it open. I guess I could have opened the other things too, but Draper James is a designer, so I thought these would be fun. Woo! That first page is beautiful. Look at these. Look at all those beautiful spring colors. Yay! All ready for spring and flowers. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. So pretty. And then the Smart Label writable vinyl for the Cricut. Lots of things for the Cricut. Now this says Joy, but I think I can still use it. Another Smart Label, we just grabbed it. Let's see if we can. That was all the same thing. And then a larger version of the small paper that I got. There we go. So very pretty paper. Ooh. Bigger versions of the little papers. So pretty. Let's see if they have those. Oh, and they have the words too. Look at that. Beautiful paper. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to use that. And last but not least, we also got foil transfer sheets. So lots of fun stuff. It's starting to dwindle as far as like the high quality stuff, but those are some fun things that I was able to get. Yeah, so go check out your local Ollies.